Still on judicial matters, a federal high court Abuja on Tuesday declared Senator Samuel Anyawu as a valid national secretary of the People's Democratic Party (PDP). Justice Anyawu, in a judgment, made an order of injunction restraining the national leadership of the PDP from appointing any person as acting national secretary when Anyawu's 4-year tenure is still running and subsisting until December 9, 2025. In line with the party's constitution. Correspondent Kunle reports that Justice Eko also declared that any meeting held or resolution reached by the party to prematurely remove or prevent Anyawu from exercising the powers of his office would be in violation of Article 49, subsection 1 of the PDP Constitution as amended in 2017, hence becomes null and void and of no effect. The judge also restrained the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) from recognizing any purported appointment of any person as National Secretary of the party, whether in acting capacity or otherwise, other than Anyawu, the elected National Secretary of the first defendant, PDP. Delivering the ruling, the judge dismissed Odefo's motion for lack of merit and for being an abuse of court process. In his judgment, Eko held that the plaintiff has been able to demonstrate with credible evidence the threatened move by the PDP leadership to remove his national secretary without due compliance with the provision of the party's constitution. Counsel to the appellant and other parties described the judgment as victory for the party, while they emphasized the need for the spirit of unity within the party.
It is to the effect that the party cannot appoint anybody to take the place of the national secretary of the party. He was elected at a convention. He can only be removed at a convention. Now the court also ordered that the assistant national secretary, deputy secretary can only act when the national secretary is absent, or if he's available, he can only deputize him.
I'm happy about the judgment. Secondly, there was no need for this court process because PDP is an opposition party, and what we are trying to do is to put ourselves together for the next political activities. So we don't need all these distractions. As far as I'm concerned, I defeated nobody, but just that the law has taken its course. And I believe this should be the end of all these court issues.